Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect GoCanvas right here to Zapier for automation. So to connect these two for automation, you'll first need to create a Zapier account. Okay, just go ahead over to Zapier.com and create your free account. Okay, it's pretty easy to sign up. So once you have your account, you'll have your dashboard. All right. Now, once you're in here, as you can see, I have these applications or integrations done earlier. And if you want to check it out on the channel, like for example, integration with GoCanvas and HubSpot, GoCanvas with Salesforce, we have that in the channel. Okay. So going back right here, once you have your account, go ahead over to the left panel and click on App Connections. Okay. As you can see, I have these accounts connected to my Zapier. Okay. So I can easily log in with, for example, GoCanvas and connect it with a SurveyMonkey or Microsoft Excel, Asana, SignNow. We have tutorials for each of these applications or software. Okay. Integration with GoCanvas to Dropbox, GoCanvas to MailChimp, GoCanvas to Xero, and some other good stuffs. Okay. So to add your account or GoCanvas account right here, just click on Add Connection at the top right, and then look for the app. For example, GoCanvas. Okay. Click on it and just add the connection. It will open up a new tab and just sign in with your credentials. Okay. If you want to add in maybe HubSpot, or let's try other apps or integrations right here. Maybe Google Sheets. Okay. So go back to Zapier, add a connection, look for Google Sheets. There you go. Just click on it and add connection. Again, there will be a pop-up. Just log in with your Gmail account. Scroll down and hit on continue and just give the necessary permissions. As you can see here, new connection to Google Sheets added. So how do we use them or integrate them? So just go ahead over to the left panel and click on create right here at the top left. And now click on Zaps. Once that's done, if you want your trigger to be GoCanvas, go ahead and select it. Or if you want your trigger to be as Google Sheet, go ahead and use it. Click on trigger. Look for GoCanvas or Google Sheets. There you go. Click on it. And then as you can see, it will be already logged in as you have added it earlier. Okay. Trigger event, the submission, and just hit on continue. App name or form name right here. For example, job ticket, continue, and then test the connection. Okay. We're good. Close it. Action. Google Sheet. There you go. Click on it. And again, wait for it to automatically log in. And then action event. So whenever a trigger event happens, like whenever there are new submissions from GoCanvas, Zapier right here will copy a worksheet or clear a spreadsheet row or create a spreadsheet. For example, I'm just going to be using this one. All right. So again, whenever there's a new trigger or there's a trigger that happens under GoCanvas, like a new submission, Zapier right here will automatically create a spreadsheet. Okay. So hit on continue and configure it. Add a title like just for testing. I'm going to name it sample integration like so. Spreadsheet to copy. You can go ahead and select one. If not, just leave it as is. So it will be new. All right. Hit on continue. Test the step. Wait for it to load. We got a check mark. And once that's done, just hit on publish. All right. Or you can close it and check if everything is checked right here. Hit on publish. And when you hit on publish, it activates the workflow. All right. It will go online. You can turn it off by going to Zapier. Okay. Or Zapier.com and turn it off if you don't want it anymore. Or if you don't want it to be automated anymore. Okay. Again, it will activate the workflow, allowing the defined action or actions to run automatically whenever the trigger event occurs, as I've said earlier. Each time the trigger event happens, Zapier right here will execute the associated action in the connected app. Okay. So let's go ahead over to Google Sheets just for you to see. Okay. All right. As you can see here, we now have the sample integration. Please do subscribe sheet. Well, that means that it is working properly. And that is basically how you connect GoCanvas to Zapier for automation. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.